Hey there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. Sticking to a diet is great for healthy lifestyle. Sometimes keeping up with it might get challenging. The urge to eat your favorite food and random cravings compel you to include a cheat meal in your diet. And today, we will prove that there is nothing wrong with that. What is a cheat day? A non-scheduled break on your diet usually is a cheat day. On cheat days, you can gulp down whatever you get your hands on. With the rise in the obesity epidemic, the search for an effective and quick strategy to lose weight has become popular. However, dieting can be difficult for various reasons, including gaining muscle mass, slimming down, lowering your blood pressure, or other medical conditions. The plans designed for every individual might be different, but cheat days are included in almost all the plans. A regularly scheduled cheat day in your diet plan can do wonders to make your diet regime a success. That's because cheat days are an ideal way to reduce craving, uplift metabolism, and give yourself a mental break from dieting. Do you like cheat days? Let us know in the comment section. Let's find out some of the benefits cheat days offer you while on a diet. Number 1. Cheat days regulate hormones. Ghrelin is a peptide hormone that signals hunger pangs. Its level in our body increases when you are on a low-calorie diet. The increased ghrelin results in hunger and makes it harder to keep up with a diet plan. On the other hand, leptin is a hormone that suppresses feeling of hunger. Its levels fall when you diet, and lower levels of leptin make it harder for you to resist eating. So believe it or not, cheat days can help you keep leptin levels up and promote weight loss. Let's jump to the next benefit, but before that, subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video so far. Number 2. Cheat meals give us a good mental break. Consistent workouts and clean eating will not provide results in a day. Weight loss is essentially a lifelong process, as you cannot compromise upon the diet after reaching your desired weight. That's why a cheat meal once in a while can help you stay motivated for the long term, if you're willing to practice mindful eating. Stressing yourself about sudden weight gain after cheat days is exceptionally harmful. Cheat meals are not fat but water weight. Going back to your fitness journey after cheat days helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Number 3. Boosting metabolism with cheat days. Research shows that including a cheat day in your plan can help in boosting metabolism, which can help burn calories faster. International Journal of Eating Disorder published a research featuring the analysis of 600 Instagram images with hashtag cheat meal. According to this study, 1.6 million people tagged this hashtag in their post. The analyzed content included very calorie-dense meals portraying content with highly muscular bodies. In their Instagram captions, the creator of this content said that cheat days in their regular diet plan lowered the level of craving and boosted their metabolism while holding up their regular diet plan. Number 4. Sticking to diet plans possible with cheat days. It is almost impossible for one to stick to a healthy diet. Cheat days motivate us to maintain a diet plan. What can be better inducement than knowing that a cheat meal is waiting right at the end of the week? Cheat days are like psychological tools that help us stay motivated on our weight loss journey. The indulgent reward helps people stay motivated 80% of the time. An acclaimed dietitian, Katie Goldberg, says that cheat days must be considered treat days because this term transmits positive vibes. How to enjoy cheat days? Now that you know the importance of a cheat day, a simple hack can make you count your meal. Let's now check out some of the best practices to enjoy a cheat day. Number 1. Remember to cheat responsibly. A mistake dieters commonly make is continuing to treat themselves with cheat meals throughout the diet plan. This is a wrong practice that can undo your hard work. Number 2. Balance your diet. Maintaining a balance in your diet and cheat days is very important. According to studies, cheat meals high in carbohydrates are the best. Such foods have tremendous effect on your leptin hormones production, and their increased level can promote weight loss. Number 3. Hydrate yourself. You should drink a lot of water on your cheat days. Drinking water creates a sense of fullness in your stomach and does not make you hungry. Drinking plenty of water can prevent cheat day bloating resulting from food highly rich in sodium. Number 4. Choose quality food. Choose foods that has organic ingredients. Avoid eating foods that is calorie dense and ultra processed. A perfect example would be choosing a burger with natural ingredients over a cheeseburger as your cheat meal. If you prefer consuming packaged foods, go for something with as few ingredients as possible. In this way, you'll know what food is best for you. So should you try a cheat day? Yes, you definitely should. It is better to choose a diet plan that you can maintain for a long time and stick to. Following cheat days is the most effective strategy for weight loss. Planning cheat days has psychological effects for an individual as it makes it easier for one to stick to a restricted diet plan when you have a cheat day to look forward. Your goal should be to wrap up your cheat days with quality organic food, feel good about it, and get ready to take on a week of healthy eating. What do you think about that? Watch this video if you want to know how to break a weight loss plateau. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to lose weight fast.